In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a Downstream O2 sensor on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located under the vehicle, right next to the transmission. Let's get started. Remove the lock from the connector, pick up on the tab, and pull straight back and remove it. Using a 7/8 or 22 millimeter socket or wrench, we're going to remove our O2 sensor. Remove it from the exhaust. Install the O2 sensor. Get it hand tight. Snug it down. You'll feel the crush washer crush and it bottom out. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and install that green lock. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.